The Groups feature allows you to classify the Workspace users by various attributes, such as their team affiliation, their roles and responsibilities, their team leader, or any other attribute that is relevant to your projects. This streamlines user management by enabling you to easily locate and manage users. Particularly for large teams, where tracking individual users can be challenging, grouping them ensures that right people have access to the right information. Let's look at how you can create a group for your team that is going to work on a new project. Go to Workspace and select Groups, then click on Create a new group. Give it a title and a description, then proceed to add members. You can remove a member from a group by clicking on the three-dot menu. If you want to make changes to the group's name or description, click on the three dots next to the group and select the Edit option. In case of deletion, you will have the option to either delete the group completely or move the group members to another existing group in your workspace. Please note, deleting a group member will not deactivate them from your workspace. If you want to deactivate a member from your workspace, you can do that from the Users section. With Groups, you can quickly add or modify projects' access for your team members, either when creating a new project or anytime after. While creating a new project, simply select from an existing group. All of the group's users will have access to the project. To manage group access on an existing project, navigate to the Project Settings screen. It is important to note, although the project is shared with the members of the group, their level of access will still be limited by their license type and user role. These options can be managed from the Users section of the Workspace. Finally, you can also look at all the projects accessible by a particular group by opening the specific group. If you have more questions on this or any other feature, you can check out our help articles in our FAQ section. If you do not find an answer to your question, or if you have any feedback that you'd like to share with us, just drop us a message.